Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A perennial darling of the craft cocktail set, Buffalo Trace is the go-to bourbon for a classic old-fashioned. With a hint of candy sweetness and an expertly balanced blend of corn, rye, and barley malt, Buffalo Trace lets the fundamental elements of the cocktail shine.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There are references to the old-fashioned dating back to the 19th century. It stood the test of time and for good reason. Whichever drink is en vogue throughout history, punters come back to the old-fashioned for it is a delicious taste, it looks good in the hand and is universally known by even the most novice of.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
After all, both bourbon and whiskey are brown liquids, they look about the same. And to add to the possible confusion, if you just refer to bourbon as whiskey, you wouldn't be wrong. Bourbon is a type of whiskey, much the way that champagne is a type of wine. So all bourbon is whiskey, but not all whiskey is bourbon.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.